Ever needed to download your transaction history from Gemini? Maybe you're doing your taxes or just trying to track your trading performance. Whatever the reason, getting your hands on that data is a crucial part of being a responsible trader. But where do you even find it? And how do you get it in a format you can actually use? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. In just a few simple steps, you can download your complete trading history from the Gemini platform. First, log into your Gemini account from a desktop or laptop. While you can view your recent history on the mobile app, for a full download you'll need the web version. Once you're logged in, look for the Statements and History section. You'll find this under your account settings or in the main menu. On the Statements and History page, you'll see a few different options. The one we want is Exchange Transaction History. You might also see other options like Statements. Those are usually for monthly statements, but the Transaction History is what gives you the detailed, line-by-line data you're looking for. Next to Exchange Transaction History, there will be a Download button. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear asking you to select a date range. You can choose a preset range like the last year, or select a custom range to get exactly the data you need. Once you've selected your date range, click Download and your transaction history will be saved to your device as an Excel file. This file contains everything you need, a complete list of your trades, including the date, time, asset, amount, and price. It's perfect for importing into a tax software or your own personal spreadsheet. And that's it. You now have a complete record of your trading activity on Gemini. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.